Tom, welcome. Is this because Biden tapped the SPR or what?
Oh, I think it's multiple factors. He does deserve credit for this swoon from June 14th till now. I think we're 58 days of down days. But you don't know if it's going to haunt us when the SPR sales stop in October. But, certainly it is one of the factors that has tempered crude price enthusiasm. And we've also seen demand destruction. Demand is probably 8 to 10% below where it was a year ago, and it's well below 2019 levels. So that, together with refineries operating at close to 100% of capacity, has kind of cleared things up for a while. But I think they might need some Zantac on the consumer side to get through the next 100 days.
Just be careful with
that. Just be careful for what you wish. The demand destruction is that people are driving less, or they've pulled back, or what? What is it?
A little bit of everything. I mean, first of all, commuting is not what it was in 2019 before the pandemic. And, there's some places now that are reauthorizing masks in the New York area, out in California or whatever. So, the kind of post-pandemic lull in some of the driving, to work has eased a bit. But, the banks all get it wrong because they all say that, in order to really have demand destruction, you need prices of between $6.02 and $6.60 a gallon. They don't realize that visceral response that people have to gas prices. To a certain extent, it's a little bit irrational, like perhaps the way people on either side of the issue behave on guns. And it's hard to model human behavior, particularly when it's not particularly rational.
But by the way, Tom, obviously the 10-cent move in gas prices isn't what affects me, but I'm aware of the global energy shortage, right? Like, I'm aware, maybe I shouldn't take my kids on a 100-mile drive for no reason just to keep them quiet, because that would feel a little wasteful right now. You know what I'm saying? So I think there's a little bit of that playing out. And how much demand destruction have we seen?
I think it's probably about 8 or 9% from last year, but it's in the mid-teens when you compare it to before the pandemic. I think we've seen about as much demand destruction as we'll see. We're not, however, we surveyed like 20,000 stations and actually what they pump. We're not seeing much of a rebound, maybe 0.5% or so.
Really? So, demand is not coming back?
And the next 90 days really pose problems on the supply side. You've got a gauntlet. You got a hurricane season. You have President Putin possibly pushing some mischief buttons, and you still have problems with power. And, refineries put off some of the maintenance that they would normally have in the second quarter. They're going to have to take some of those units for a pit stop in September, October, and November.
Wow.